Warm greetings from Raghava International Statistical Institute. Welcome to RISI's Quality Talk Show, Excellence in Healthcare. So, where we bring real stories, real impacts, and real transformation in patient care. Today's session is extra special because we have a certified expert in healthcare quality, a CPHQ professional, is going to be give a insightful, interactive, and inspiring speech. Welcome, ma'am. Can you brief about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. So myself is Dr. Nazneen from Hyderabad, Maitri Group of Hospital. I am working as a group quality head. I have been since 15 years of experience in quality and nursing administration also. So from my end, so recently I had undertaken the training since past 6 months.
Yeah, thank you so much for your introduction, ma'am. It's very great thing. And we are having a little more questions, and each round you have to answer. So, where did you complete your CPHQ certification, ma'am?
Yeah, from Raghava Institute, from RISI International Institute, ma'am, under
Wonderful.
Dr. Tenna, sir.
How will you know about RISI, ma'am?
I heard from Kerala, one of my friend is there, Anusha Mol.
Okay.
She is also
Okay.
CPHQ certified. So I
Oh.
met her in Delhi. So in that she said, RISI is the good institute to get CPHQ and under train Tenna sir. About she has given a lot of information about Tenna sir and the practicing method and everything. So I am into quality, but I don't know what is CPHQ first of all, because in my area in Hyderabad, the very rare people are there CPHQ professional. Might be very rare because here the people are having a different mindset regarding of CPHQ. Means it is the toughest exam. First of all, it is not required here. It is only for international, like that. But when I went to Delhi, that time I realized when I am working in the quality department, I should have some certification. I have master's double dual PG. I am a BSc nursing. My graduation, and I done my MSc psychology and MBA hospital management, and I have done doctorate in hospital administration and management. Even though I am feeling some little low regarding of the
Yes.
quality, even though I am
Yes.
working in the quality department, but many things as per the standards, as per the NABH only we know, but about the international standards and how the data analytics should be done, how the graphs should be present, we don't know anything. When I joined CPHQ only, I realized that real quality means CPHQ. Those person know the CPHQ, he or she only expertise in the quality department. What we are doing in the quality only a sake of NABH, but beyond that we are not going to practice anything. Only line chart we know to present
Yes.
the NABH. We don't know the frequency tables, so many things we don't know. How to do the random audits and how to validate the data, we don't know. Just we are collecting the data, complete entire 1,000 samples, like that. We don't know the formulas even. Many things we don't know. So I realized that after listening her, so I definitely I came from the Delhi. Immediately I joined in the Raghava Institute. I from Tenna sir. So my special thanks to sir only, because I don't know anything. I am zero before, but I realize now many things I learned from the RISI Institute. I never forget these things. I referred to many people also now. Today also one person pinged me, ma'am, kindly guide me about CPHU. How did you pass? Give me the reference. Last 2 days back also I got two members. So I told Tenna sir number I given specially. You tell my name and you joined in the institute. Without sir, can we do the CPHQ? I said no, we cannot, because the practice which sir is giving is completely different. He is a PhD professional. Completely, he is different. Our knowledge and our thinking is different. Even we have 15 years of experience. So
Yeah.
completely it depends. It's the sirs. Completely.
Super.
Our thing is complete sir. I can say because of sir only we got the CPHU, because we followed him.
Excellent, ma'am. Excellent.
Mm.
Ma'am, what special qualities and strengths have you experienced about RISI? Because many centers are there nowadays
Yes,
regarding
yes,
CPHQ training.
yes,
What
yes,
special
ma'am.
thing experienced?
Special things means the interest. The trainers are taking a lot of interest. Actually, I said no. I only don't know. 15 years been I am into quality. I don't know many things. So from the zero, I learned like that. I felt past 6 months. That too I felt very hard while writing exam also. I may pass or I may fail, I don't know like that, but with the guidance and the support only, because of Tenna sir only we got. He is a wonderful excellent teacher, and he guides a lot. Till 4 a.m. he get to use.
Yes.
Even I am a pregnant, actually I am a now 7th month carrying now. So even though the tough days also 4 a.m. he is getting, and he's making us to practice the questions. Even I'm feeling
Okay.
nauseating morning sickness, even though I get up and I started listening the sir class, because I never miss last 1 month that mock practice and MCQs till tomorrow exam is there. Till that sir is supported a lot. He had given a lot of practice material. If we practice, then only I had written very well, I can say.
Super,
Otherwise
ma'am.
I cannot get.
Super, 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 ma'am. The next round we can go. This quality in action. In that, how does CPHQ knowledge help you in your day-to-day hospital operations?
Yes, ma'am. It is CPHQ from the beginning step, ma'am. This is because till now my practice is different. After I taken off classes of 7 and 8 months, then I realized there are a lot of things need to be changed in the general, because here people doesn't know what is just culture,
Yeah.
just patient safety, what is
Yes.
fall, and how we have to preventive strategies, and what is the tat which need to be, what is the pareto, how we have to analyze 80 by 20 principle, how to take nothing here people doesn't know anything, and validation method also doesn't know. So with the CPHQ only we can learn, madam. I could say with the CPHQ I have done many courses in quality. QMS, quality total management, I have done, and I
Okay.
have done NABH Pro POIs, and even assessor course also. But I didn't get that much of knowledge. Only we know the what is core, commitment, excellent, and achievement. What is under that we need to be implement. That's it. Beyond that, we did not go for excellence. But in the CPHQ, I learned many things, madam.
Many things. Very good, madam. Very good. What is the biggest challenge in healthcare professionals are you facing in maintaining the quality standards?
Yeah, the biggest challenge is many people doesn't know.
Doesn't
Again,
know
I
the
am telling,
things.
many people
Yes.
doesn't know. When we are asking the data, just they will give the number. But what is
Okay.
accuracy? They are missing the accuracy and
Yes.
precision. And they are missing the timelines and giving the indicators also. They are not in proper. Might be in JCS, it's okay in the international standards, but in national wide, we have to improve a lot, madam. During
Yes.
only NABH, only 6 months before, 1 year before, we will do lot of data collection method and documentation and presenting to the NABH assessor,
Okay.
because assessors also not having that much of CPHQ knowledge. They are also background of nursing like us, and
Yes.
quality
Yes.
profession, and consultants, MBBS doctors. Because from my end, the challenge is people should aware about of CPHQ. But
Yes.
nowadays better, ma'am, because in Hyderabad now, after I passed CPHQ, they had seen in LinkedIn my professional ID and that gold seal. Many people are realizing. For me only, I'm getting 10 members messages how to go for CPHQ from
That's good.
Continental Hospital one, from my another hospital like that. So from Hyderabad, I got 10 responses from the
Oh,
for
super.
CPHQ. How to write, you guide us. We will be also writing like that. Now
Super.
awareness are coming in
Ah,
healthcare.
yeah. Yes, yes,
Mm.
really, really. That's why we are doing this quality talk show.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
only
yes, yes.
everybody comes to know about the real quality. What is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am. But
Yes.
excellent, ma'am. This institute, I can say blindly we can go ahead. No need
Yes.
to see here and there, and Google
There.
also no need. Without
Yeah.
Google, we can directly go to the RISI Institute.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Sir,
Right.
what sir tells, his words is true. After finishing CPHQ, I realized while we are in the classroom, then sir is telling, no, we are taking some light. He will tell like that, like that. But after finishing, we realized why sir is stressing for practice. Why sir is telling us for do the mock drill, mock
Yes, not
practice
much.
and assessments and rememoration and cues, preparing the notes, everything. Sir had taken lot of stress, madam, from
Yes, yes,
every
yes.
candidate.
Yeah.
He has taken a lot of things.
Super, madam. Super, madam.
Mm.
What advice would you prefer to give for the coming, upcoming persons of why they are ready to do the CPHQ means? What
Yes, ma'am.
advice you will give?
Yeah, my advice is everyone, those are into the quality department, it is a mandatory for them actually.
Yes.
Mandatory means they should know. Even for nursing side, it is okay how much they
Mm.
know. But if they are also wanted to move as a quality head, as a quality profession, but everyone has to undergo the CPHQ training from the RISI Institute, ma'am. I
Is it?
can
Yes.
strongly recommend RISI Institute
Yes.
with the 10 ratings because
Oh, very good.
we are very much excitement with the sir. Actually, we felt very tough days and we practice many things.
Yes.
Before 1.5 months, there is a lot of practice, MCQ practice and model exams, 150 questions, 140 questions like that. There is a timeline again. So it is a wonderful thing, ma'am.
Yes, Superman, Superman. One message to healthcare teams working tirelessly every day. Can you give any
Yes.
one message to them?
So for them, I am giving the message is patient safety because they
Yes.
are working tireless. Patient safety and improve the just culture, not the blame
Yes.
culture. Because many of the nurses they are getting fear, medication error.
Yes.
They may say anything if we are informing them. So like that. So I would say like improving the culture,
Yes.
ground culture and leadership culture, ma'am. Leadership also supports.
Yes, yes, yes. Superman, very good. Absolutely right. Then now the another round is fun round, that insightful round, rapid fire like
Okay, ma'am.
quality or speed, which you recommend? Speed.
Quality, ma'am.
Nowadays, yeah, exactly.
Quality.
Very good. Okay. Data or experience, which one is good?
Data.
Experience.
Yeah, yeah.
Data. Okay. Then one habit every day the healthcare professional has to adapt.
Yes.
What habit they should have adapt?
To improve the patient safety culture.
Exactly, madam. Very good. Thanks a lot, ma'am. As we come to the end of this program,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
today's session is very useful to all the persons, those who are seeing this quality talk show.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Thank you,
Rizzi is
ma'am.
a wonderful
Yes,
institute.
ma'am. Good
Is
platform. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Now in
yeah.
Hyderabad, I will refer everyone to your institute, ma'am.
Very
Institute.
good, madam.
Everyone. Those are
Yes,
connecting me.
madam.
I will definitely refer.
Yes, ma'am. We are the persons we have to tell to other persons should know
Yes, yes.
the right pathway.
Already 10, like 5, 10 members connected to me for
Yeah,
Rishi Institute. I
super.
had shared the Tenasar number also. Definitely, I will make awareness in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad
Yes.
also, we'll make some wonderful, beautiful thing as a quality improvement and
Yeah.
like that. Okay, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a
Thank you.
lot for your.
Special thanks to Tenna sir, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, yes.
You are my batch only, no, ma'am. Mega, ma'am, I miss
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Patient safety is not a task, it is a responsibility we carry in each and every single day. That
Yes,
mind
ma'am.
thought should be, we should have
Yes,
always.
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.